the left hand corner with your device plugged in, click on iPhone 4 Activate tool. Now you see this window. We could click on number 1. And now it's asking us to put our device into DFU mode, which we'll do by holding down the power button and the home button for 10 seconds. Once your screen goes black, count 2 seconds and let go of the power button while holding on to the home button still for another 30 seconds. Now your computer will read your device in DFU mode. Now the SSH process has begun. I'll let this video play all the way through so you guys can see how long this will take. Once you see successful in green letters, you know that the SSH tool is done. Your phone will look like it's in restore mode, and now we can click number 2. You have to make sure that your iPhone mounted. If it said could not mount, you'll need to close down the window and click number 2 again. Just make sure it mounts. Once it does, we could go back to the program and click number 3. Type Y. You could close down the Java tool, the SSH window, and now your phone will look like it's in recovery mode, and now we can exit recovery mode, which is number 4. Once you're done, you could close down the program, and we're going to uninstall it now that we're done with it by going into computer, uninstall or change program, and we're going to look for iOS Soft Dev Pack. If you don't delete it off your computer now and your antivirus system turns on, it will, so I suggest you do it now while your phone boots up. Once your device turns back on, you can slide to unlock and begin the activation process by choosing your language, your region, choose your Wi-Fi network, which my password is already on, and as you can see right there, it bypassed the Apple ID activation, and I'm going to skip it right here, and it skipped it just like that. Now all you have to do is agree to the terms and conditions. And start iPhone. And as you can see right there, I'm on the home screen on iOS 7.0.4, and I'll show you right now by going into General. Just let me turn down the brightness really quick. Go into General, About, and you see right there iOS 7.0.4. So now I'll show you how to jailbreak it. We're going to need to go back onto our computer, open up Evasion 7, let Evasion read your device as it just did mine right now, and click jailbreak. I'll be back as soon as this process is done. After drastically speeding up the video, you'll come to this step where Evasion 7 asks you to unlock your device and click on the Evasion icon so the process can continue. Once again, I'll be right back as soon as this is done. And now Evasion is done. You could close it down. Everything else is done on your device. And that's pretty much it, guys. You bypassed the Apple ID on iOS 7 through iOS 7.0.4 and jailbroke your device. If you slide to the next screen, you'll see Cydia right there. Now open it up and we'll need to wait for the file system to prepare. So now you could go back into your phone, open up Cydia, and it'll prompt you what type of user you are, and you can see that Cydia works perfectly fine. Everything is loading up as it should be. Let me scroll down to the bottom, and you can see right there, it says iOS 7.0.4.